Welcome to this askzenler. Now in this askzenler I'm going to show you how to reorder your courses. So if we go and have a look at our site, and you're going to see here that we have the courses laid out, but I have them kind of in the wrong order. I've actually got to add one more course, and that's the gold course, and I've got to publish it because it's unpublished. So I'm just going to publish this and you're going to see what's going to happen. So now that's published, I can actually refresh the page and you're going to see gold is there, silver there, bronze there, and I want them so it's bronze, silver, and then gold. Okay, so it's really easy to actually reorder these. You just need to come into your courses, and where you've got your courses here, you just need to hit this reorder button, and this is going to allow you to basically move these around. So I can click this top one, move it up the top, and move this silver one there and leave this one here. And now I've done that, if I go back to my page and I refresh it, you're going to see that this is now ordered as we have got it, top to bottom, start, second one, third one, fourth one, etc. So we've actually ordered it in there just by hitting that reorder button here on your courses page.